Hi guys, my name is Kageni. Welcome back to my channel. Yet another video. So today I'm going to check one of the fridge. Something that I wanted so much. So I'm going to check in Westlands and at Carrefour and see the different type of fridges and all that, so that I'll decide which one to take. Okay. So without wasting time, if you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe to my channel. For the returning subscribers, you know what it is, what you do in this channel. Okay. So let's go and check the fridge. See you then.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling.
Vizuri sana.
So itakuwa side moja, hii side moja.
Okay.
Sasa ukifungua, unafungua inabaki mchana hivi. Nyingine hapa inabaki chini.
Oh, nice.
Sasa ungeweka sasa kidogo.
Oh my god. Guys, tell me why. I came from actually from Isli, guys. Nikakuja nikalala. Look at that bed. Nilikuwa nimelala. Look at that bed. And then So I came when I was so tired and nilikuwa nimechoka kabisa kabisa kabisa. There's nothing I could have done, guys. Oh my god. It's around around 8 right now. I was supposed to shoot. I came from Italy today. Nikashoot hiyo part, and then I was supposed to install the curtains because I was going for curtains. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I got the curtains. First of all, wait, nimeacha nime have kunini dice all of this so for supper, and then I boiled some rice before nilale because I was so tired. I felt I was so tired, and then I boiled these drumsticks, as you can see. Kunini as you can see. So yeah, but now we're going to cook together. But before then, let me show you the curtains that I got. Okay, so oh my god, easy. These are curtains that I got from Italy, guys. Can you see that? We installed the curtains. Can you see them? Just today, actually, after I went for curtains, guess what, guys? Let me show you first the curtains. Curtains kwanza. Okay. Now tell me why I should come in and sleep. I was literally tired, guys. I was literally tired. Imagine from wherever I live to Isli, then shop for curtains, then is the Shonwe. That's a plug by the I'm giving you. You should do this. If you're looking for online, I think online kidogo huanga inaleta shida kidogo, but I had ordered some online whatever. They came and did some measurements in my house, and then I didn't like it. I didn't like the prices. They were not making sense at all, at all. For a babysitter and all that, duration and it wasn't making sense. It wasn't making sense for me. So nikafikiria, why not just go to Isli and just have some go to curtains, my wholesale zinakuanga. I had some measurements already, and then nishonewe, you know. So that's how I did, and I'm going to see the curtains the way they look like before I start cooking now, because why? Sinililala, I was so tired. Though nilikuwa nisha fanya kila kitu and all that. So let me show you. We installed the curtains. Actually, they look so good. Okay, yeah. So let me show you. So we already installed the curtains, as you can see from in here. This is the door curtain, as you can see, all the way to the floor, as you can see that. Okay, ignore those funny stuff that you're saying. Yeah, I went for black rods, and they were so affordable. Guys. Gathers, they look so good. Look at the gathers. They look so good. Naiona. I like the gathers. I also had some shears. These are the shears. They had nice gathers as well. So yeah, it's actually at night. The maana nimefunga. Okay, let's go to the window. Yes, this is the window. The shears, as you can see. So there's a partition here, as you can see. You can separate it. You can separate the other side and all that. So that this is what I got. When you're on the comment section, I'm really fail for the color because I love bright colors. Yeah, I love bright colors, especially the gathers. Oh my god, the gathers, they're so good. It's so affordable actually. If you were looking for curtains, no, they're very expensive. But then you may on curtains squeezy, by the way. Guys, I'm telling you, curtains nowadays are very expensive. Let me tell you something. If it's online, oh my god, for me it wasn't making sense. For the prices, it wasn't making sense because they came and just did the measurements. But nikasema mimi ni nani? Let me just go to Italy, okay, and just buy them and then niende nishone vile nataka, si ndio? And for the colors, tuambia kama nili kidogo nili have kunini na hema kidogo. I'm sorry. Kidogo kama colors, but I love bright colors actually. So it's upon you now for the color, okay? So that is it for today. Let me just dive in cooking and all that. I'll take you through kidogo and then we have to eat and then sleep. Maybe I'll see you. I'll close the video on a cooking vlog and all that. So see you in the next one. pineapple, and some bananas, smoothie. And then again, and then have some peanuts. Okay, so as we wait for the food to leave, we are just hungry, guys. So I will just put some hindi kidogo. Ni have kukunywa mimi, si ndio? So yeah, let me just mix it vizuri. Nikae poa. It looks so yummy, guys. It looks so yummy. Let's do that. Take a minute. So good. Nimebaki home. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm just in love with curtains. I can't get rid of them. Oh my god. The curtains are actually breaking the house, as you can see. The curtains are really, really good. So, I've changed my background actually because I'll be shooting from here. Okay? So I'll be like, hi guys, and all that because the place is so beautiful, as you can see. It's so beautiful. I just love it. I just love it. So to my hizo cucumber nini cucumber imetoka wapi guys? So I'm having hizo nini. So I'm going to dive in with, I don't know what I'm saying on actually. So I'm going to dive in with my chicken. So yeah. I'm going to dive in with, for my chicken, shake up my drumsticks in, and then I'm going in with this one. It's Royco spice, nyama choma. It's really nice. Yeah, it's spicy. Okay, I'm also going with in with paprika. I'm also going in with curry and spices, a mix of spices. Yeah, and I'm also going in with soy sauce. Just bring it close in the morning. This is how it looks like actually. It's just Missouri and all that, and then we go in with too much because we're eating with, actually I'm going in with rice, so I need some kidogo white flour. Okay, so I'm going to allow the spices to mix well. Yeah, come back. Actually, guys, the food is ready. So let me dive in. We have kupakua, and then yeah, we see how it's gonna go. So Yeah, can you see that? Can you see that? Hata zinatoa moshi zenyewe. There's chicken, some stew of it, and some rice. Oh my god. Let me just have a bite of it. Mnaona mpaka na karibu na curtains ndio at least. I'm just loving this background for real, for real, for real. So let's taste together. Hmm. The food is so good. The food is so good. Oh my god. And then having a pishori rice tastes so good. Hmm. And some smoothie. This is so good. So guys, let me enjoy my breakfast. My oh my god, my breakfast. Vile nimetoka kulala. Let me just enjoy my dinner. See you in the next one. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. You guys kindly subscribe, okay? So see you in the next. If you guys want some of these cooking vlogs and all that, comment down below and tell me what you really want. So yeah, so it's a wrap. Let me see you in the next one.